Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya kabalong kasanjuk Jingialang School ad hoc RiKhasi palay jakatayo kalapin panaban palong na Jingialang Pajba soso tham auditorium shalong haka arpoi tarik mentaw banay na kabantaban shimi kijiaki halor kijingpin slam jakasarkar jalaban pun urlong kijingdawa ka Fastom kaladawa na kasarkar jalaban kintiu kadan deficit system lani deficit pattern baban kintiu katulop Jingialang School ad hoc haka jiakran miklap thai kubor publicity secretary ka Fastom Basan bor jungai ulang bahadu mentang ke sarkar jela kampat shimkhia setia ke jingdawa Jingialang School ad hoc nadu kesenam aja khandriu khamtam hakabai dei be jingpen kiwi ketulop ba berkentiu kedan ya ki school ad hoc hakane ke jelang on ya theory wo baran sia phlu jingmod lang da boro Jingialang School ad hoc berkadai ru kesin jam wa ban peloi ke jeki lada ka sarkar jela kadang yai le menti ya ki jingdawa Jingialang School ad hoc
the 21st of March we will have a general public meeting at State Central Library at 11 p.m. or a.m. at 11 a.m. and we invite all of the teachers right from the lower primary section, the upper primary, the secondary and the higher secondary to come forward and to participate in this meeting. Why is this meeting very important? This meeting is very important is because for so many years now, since 2016, there has been no increment whatsoever in the ad hoc section of the government that belongs to the teachers. And since 2016, we have been asking the government to renew the salaries. On 2019, we met at Malki Ground, and while we met at Malki Ground, we had a conversation with the Chief Minister, where the Chief Minister said that he is going to make things right. But till now, we are still waiting for it. Therefore, on the 17th of January this year, Fastom came out to the streets of the Secretariat to demand from the government and to remind them once again that our demand is pending. On the 18th, Sir Ambrose Marat met with one of our leaders, the president, that is Sir Kenneth Chadap, and they came up with a kind of an agreement between them where the Fastom is supposed to submit a proposal to him and he is going to be the bridge to the government. However, it's been 2 months now, and when we met Sir Ambrose, we found out that from his office, a proposal is yet to be drafted to be sent to the Finance Committee and to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. It's taking too long, and we cannot wait anymore.